Hey guys, it's Jenna, and I just found out this girl has a YouTube also, and this is what her YouTube is called, Lily98192. So uh, anyways, um, making my video say hi everybody. Really? How's that inappropriate? Oh my gosh, everything's inappropriate. Making my video. Yay. That's inappropriate. Fuzzy add me. Okay. Add. Okay. Add. Okay. Add. Alright. Let's see who's on. Oh gosh. I don't know what I'm seeing. Oh gosh. I need a different screen recorder. This one isn't very nice. It's not very good. So if you have any like laptop screen recorders that I could use, because I'm using a laptop. I use a laptop. But if you have any laptop suggestions, then leave them in the description, please. Thing do you use Lily? I am recording anyways. Okay, please give me store-bought anything. I'm giving the shout out now. So yeah, I should probably give a shout out too. Shout out to Lily9812192. You're awesome. Shout out to you. You're amazing. I'm gonna play tic-tac-toe with her. No, why? Just kidding. Alright, hi. Alright, I'm gonna dance. Now watch me whip. Fuck me, nene. Say hi. I'm recording everyone. Yeah, anyways, so yeah. Yes. Oops. My screen got big. Okay. Well, I'm gonna buddy him because I feel like it. Yay. Probably not my buddy now, but okay. Oh. Wrong call, everybody. Wrong call. He's my buddy now. This is an epic party. You should record major. Oh. I have been for over 30 minutes. Whoops. Say hi to my video. How is that inappropriate? Say hi to my video. Really? That's not inappropriate at all. Okay. Oh, and why can't you say tube? Tummy. YouTube. Love. Hi, you. True. Okay. You like my little nerd? Please gift. I'm gonna do fan mail box. Ugh, I can't spell today. I'm just doing that because I want to. I want to do fan mail. I don't know why my computer's doing that. It's like da-dun, 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 da-dun. Please gift me. I'm gonna do mailbox, please. Please, please, please. I got one. Here you go. Oh, I'm gonna save these guys. Please gift. Saving them for mailbox. I think I'm gonna end this video, guys. So, as always, have a magical day. So, bye.